Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we had some action. The dollar had a little correction over here, went down a little bit. We want to see them break down from this trend line. At least that's what I want. Let me know what you want. And because if the dollar breaks down, the rest goes up. And yeah, we saw that happening today. The S&P made a tick up, Nasdaq as well, and so did gold. And right now it seems like the dollar is bouncing now for a little. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing for. Let me remove some things. Right now, what we want for the S&P 500 is just to make higher highs and stay above 3.4k. And yeah, it's this support held nicely. And yeah, we just basically want the dollar to go down so the rest can pump. Daily isn't looking that wonderful, but still a long day to go. Bitcoin is doing fairly good. We're on the 4-hour chart over here. And I think we will leave this gap behind us and we will go up from here. Taking a look at the weekly looking very good. All our closes have been above these ranges and over here and over here. Also, let's take a look. We stayed with our closes above those. So I hope the weekly will stay above it, and this is a really nice reversal doji if the week closes like this. And that's about it. Daily 200 MA is still on a daily on 9k. Taking a look at a smaller time frame, you could say, wait a second, I hate that line. Yeah, I think we kind of did a rounded bottom over here, and we will go for the highs again. First resistance is of course 10.5k, that is over here, and we touched that one exactly today. Maybe it takes a little bit more time, but we will definitely short squeeze, I think, back up. The premiums are very low still, fundings are flat, that is what we like. We do not want to see them going higher than this. Always take a look at Bitmex. Bitmex usually steers the market the most in my opinion, has the highest open interest, and Ethereum is doing very well as well. We want to see Ethereum above 360, that is this line over here, the bigger picture, that was last year's high. And yeah, we want to see Ethereum above that, daily closes above 360, that's the best. Take a look at Ethereum BTC. Nice bounce, really nice bounce. And yeah, this is a trend line we talked about earlier. Was this one? A really nice breakout, going back up, looking very good, looking very healthy. Next up is this resistance. Take a look at Bond. Bond is not, I mean, it's not looking terrible, but it's not looking amazing either. Did break this one. Maybe making something like this. Hey, does this one connect? Hey, it does. We see a lot of action on this line. You see it, guys? Over here, over here, over here, over here, some action on it, and over here. Perfectly. So I think that's a valid trend line. We want to break above it again and go back above this trend line over here. Nice action out over here, and over here. What you want to see when spotting horizontal lines is we want to see action on a certain line. That makes a line valid. Also trend lines, we want to see some connection points on a trend line, at least 3 most of the time, and then it's a valid trend line. So you see over here, Bond uses those trend lines amazingly, work really well on Bond. Request from one of the followers, he asked me to do take a look at CRV. Right now they broke a trend line and they should make higher highs from here, otherwise it's not looking good. We see this area over here, horizontal, and I see this one over here, and I also see, let's remove the last one, this one, something like that, and also something like this. So we see a wedge at the moment. Could be a bear wedge, bearish wedge, but breaking it to the upside and breaking this line would be very good. Would be very good. Taking a look at Link. Link is looking good. It's all looking a little bit the same. Link is at horizontal resistance right now. We can see it on the daily. This is basically the line Link has to break, close above, and that's around, let's make it $13. If Link has a close above $13, it's definitely a long. If you want to trade with some leverage like I do, make sure to use one of these sign up links. You get some additional discount on trading fees, and that is really what you want, because trading fees eat your collateral. You do not want that to happen. A lot of people say, well, it's not that much fees, but yes, it does add up, and you just need small winners, like not paying a lot of fees, to get rich. So make sure to use one of these sign up links to get your discounts. Some people, like yesterday, even someone said to me that it was a poor poverty mind set or something. Well, that's seriously not the case. Believe me, guys, small winners do add up, and paying fees is not a winner at all. So, did I forget anything? Yeah, I'm bullish on Bitcoin, very bullish on Bitcoin. Just make sure you have your stop placed accordingly, because stop runs are a big thing. We see this candle over here. Well, let's take a look at the Bitmex candle for that one. Where is it? Over here. Well, you see it over here. This was one candle on the hourly. They made new lows and they made new highs, and everybody got stopped out who was trading in too low or too high of a leverage. Bitcoin on a lower time frame, just doing a bullish retest in my opinion, should bounce somewhere over here. We see in the VPVR very much volume on this level, so I expect it to bounce over here soon on 10.3. Everything's looking very good. I think the markets will bounce. If something were to stop Bitcoin from going up over here, that would be a pump for the dollar. And that's really about it. I'm really bullish. Anything that could stop it is the dollar strength. So that's about it for today, guys. Make sure you leave a comment, you subscribe, you let me know what you think of the videos. And if you want me to do a certain coin, please let me know in the comments. See you guys again tomorrow.